Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best tools on the market. Today, we're diving into the Evolution Power Tools R300DCT, known as one of the best paver saws available. Let's see why this saw stands out from the rest. The R300DCT is powered by a robust 15-amp electric motor, eliminating the need for gas, pull cords, and frequent servicing. This makes it not only convenient but also environmentally friendly. One of the standout features is its adjustable blade guard, designed for easy vertical cutting with just one hand. Whether you're cutting stone, reinforced concrete, or bricks, this saw handles it all effortlessly. With a cutting depth of up to 4.5 inches, it outperforms many petrol saws in its category, giving you the power and precision needed for tough jobs. The ergonomic design ensures good posture and reduces user fatigue, which is crucial during extended use. This means you can work longer without discomfort. For ground-level cuts, the wheeled skid plate makes straight cuts effortless. It's a feature that adds incredible value, especially for professionals needing precise cuts at any angle. In conclusion, the Evolution Power Tools R300DCT is not just a concrete saw. It's a game-changer in the realm of power tools. With its powerful motor, ergonomic design, and versatile cutting capabilities, it's no wonder why it's considered one of the best paver saws available today. If you're serious about quality and efficiency in your projects, consider adding the R300DCT to your toolkit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique.